y'all doing? Well, today we're here at Kreher Nature Preserve and Park. So I decided to come out here. I haven't been to this park in quite some time. This is the onset of summer coming on, so I'm hoping to catch some of the wildflowers that are still hanging on. I know around our house I've spread some wildflower seeds in our backyard, and they're really still coming up pretty brightly. So one of the things that this nature park has is there is a whole trail that's dedicated to wildflowers. So that's our plan of attack today, is to go to that, and of course we've got to hike some of the trails to get there. So that's what we're going to do today. Kreher Nature Preserve and Park. This is a 600 something acre little wooded area that is actually part of the Auburn University. They have a resource center that they hold classrooms, and I think since it's summer, they're actually holding like a summer camp for kids. They have a lot to do here, but our plan of attack is to take this trail that I'm on right now, and we're going to take this to a trail they call, I believe, Wildflower Trail. And since this is really getting into the summer months, and I've got a lot of blooming wildflowers in my backyard, I figured, you know, this may be one of the best times to come out here and catch some of these flowers. And with the pollinators all out on a nice sunny day like this, I might be able to get some good shots. So again, I brought my macro lens for this. It seems to be one of the best lenses for doing any kind of floral or insect photography. And of course, still have my 300 in case we run across anything here. You never know. So, yeah, that's onward and upward. So we're not going to have just the sounds of nature on this trail, since they've got summer camp school or whatever that is going on right now, but we'll make a good day of it. Yeah, I think it's a good thing I decided to put on my methrin on my clothes, because some of the trails are close in. This is more wide, but yep, it is tick season. I think as we get further and further from the little resource center that they have here with all the kids, it should be getting a little quieter. We'll see how that goes. consulting a map that I downloaded. So we are on the trail right now from Wax Myrtle Lane, and now we're on Pollinators Pass. So that's going to take us right up into, it looks like the beginning of the Wildflower Trail, or we can go left to the Pine Tree Sneak. I like the way that they've named the trails on this park. Yeah. The park is pretty structured here for the people that like to take strolls. I would actually kind of consider this a city park or preserve, because it's pretty much in the residential area. It's like smack dab off of College Street and Farmville. And as you can see, they have little structures here and there set up that you can kind of like sit down, take a breather. Maybe you have your kids with you, your dog with you, but it's nice. There's some other parks within Auburn that are kind of like this. You know, it's nice that the city has provided a lot of green spaces that people can just get out and walk around. I don't know if people have geocached in here. That's a real another fun way to get kids involved with the outdoors. So yeah, this is really nice. It's a warm day today. It's I'd say probably in the 80s. It's kind of like my comfort space. I'm okay with that. All right, here is the trailhead for the Wildflower Trail. All right, well, let's see what we can see.
On me. Back mid scroll, I'm getting arcane. Walking the wild, walking the wild. Don't know why.
I don't remember when I was out here last time. I wonder if they cut all this down and respread or spread wild seeds, or if they just let it go el natural. So I see they've got some kind of a tent set up there, so they're protecting that for something. The box there is actually a bird blind, but it needs some work. I noticed that the last time I was here that I really couldn't even get to that bird blind because it was so overgrown. And as of today, I did not bring my trekking pole, so I have nothing really to probe for snakes. And no doubt, they're out and about. I fully give them their leeway. So we've got some purple martin houses up there. I see when we started the trail down here, and I see one down there. I see one further back. Those are all bluebird houses. I have one at our house right now, and we've got 5 chicks. So I'm going to set up a trail camera for them because I have never seen our bluebirds fledge. I mean, we've had the houses for years. I would say 10, 20 house full of chicks, but never been able to catch the time when they fledge. So this time I am going to do that. I've got a trail camera that I'm going to put up. So the chicks have just emerged. They usually fledge after 16 or 20 days. This time I'll be ready. So look forward to some maybe videos being posted from that trail cam of bluebirds fledging the nest. We have 5 of them, so far so good. Mama and Papa are really good.
Cosplay cowgirls and numberless chats. We're feeling just fine in our running hats. Walking the wild, walking the wild. I don't know why. I don't mind the hustle and the tussle. I don't mind the grind. I don't mind pretending we don't see these signs. I don't mind the hustle and the tussle. I don't mind the grind. You and me dancing on the Gideon time. On the Gideon time. Try to unplug it, turn it back on. Try to unplug, but the feeling's gone. Walking the wild, walking the wild. You don't know why, you don't know why, you don't know why. Radio play in the cesspool stream. Oh, running down nightmares that used to be dreams. Walking the wild, walking the...
They have feeders out, and I'm seeing some birds from at least over here that are going to those feeders. I'm not sure what they have in them, but maybe we'll work our way over there and I'll see what kind of birds they are. It looks like cardinals. I definitely see cardinals landing on them.
Crazy bets on me. Back leg scroll, I'm getting arcane. Walking the wild, walking the wild. Don't know why. Cosplay cowgirls and numberless chats. We're feeling just fine in our running hats. Walking the wild, walking the wild. I don't know why.
Okay, that was the Wildflower Trail. So not too much. I think spring is when we need to come out here. I bet there's going to be a lot more in bloom, but yeah, it's nice. It's a nice open meadow, and it looks like there is all kinds of plants and flowering things that are set up in there. But coming in the summer to shoot them, it might be, you know, a little bit late in the season. So we're going to go ahead now, and we're back into the woods. We're going to follow this trail, which will bring us back to the parking lot. Onward and upward. According to the map, looks like this way is to the Azalea Trail, or Azalea Line, and that's the one we'll take all the way back in. So we'll have an easy stroll with that. Well, I'm never fast enough when nature decides to show me something. So I was coming from the bridge there up on this path, and right here in the trail there was a black snake, possibly about 3 to 4 feet long, and as soon as I saw him, he decided to crawl right into the bushes there. I did see him looking back at me, but before I could get the camera out, of course, he slithered on in there. Very thin black snake. Could it have been a black racer? I believe it would have been non-venomous, just because of the body shape being very long and thin like that. You'd be surprised how rare it is to happen upon any snakes. I will say this, that's probably my number 4 snake that I've met on a path. I'm sorry I missed the chance of getting a picture of them, but anyways, you know, we don't have very many venomous snakes in Alabama here. The ones you're really going to come across are going to be your water moccasins or your cottonmouth. You got your eastern diamondback rattlesnake, your copperhead. Let's see, a pygmy rattlesnake. Those are the type of things. As far as venomous snakes, I guess we could probably have coral snakes here too, but those are very, very rare. So, as you can see, just running across the snake is a very rare thing. I know some people have reported, you know, coming across snakes, but, you know, I don't know if I make too much noise. I try to be quiet, but I would treat them all the same. I give them their space, and I respect them. So, well, here we are. This right here is the Azalea Trail, or the Azalea Line, I think they called it. What we just finished was the Azalea Place Lane. So I don't think that was on my map. I hear more thunder. But anyways, yep, going along. Wish I was able to get a good picture of that snake. That would have been good. A topper to this journey today. That's you. I see another one.